Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I am here to guide you on downloading Carbon Loan app for your iPhone. In this video, we will walk you through the simple process of getting the Carbon Loan app on your iPhone device. If you are in need of quick access to loans with flexible repayment option, Carbon Loan app has you covered. First of all, make sure that device is connected with the internet, either Wi-Fi or data. Once you are connected to the internet, now locate the App Store on your home screen. It is usually a blue icon with a white letter T. Once you are in the App Store, you have to hit the search button. It looks like a magnifying glass. Now type in Carbon Loan app and hit search. Here you get to see the Carbon mobile banking and loans. So open the app page and you will see the download option in the blue icon. Tap on it. Your iPhone might ask you for your Apple ID password or to use Face ID or Touch ID. Don't worry, that's just to make sure it is really you. In that case, type your Apple ID password. Once you have done that, the app will start downloading. And that's it. Once the download is complete, you can open the app directly through the App Store by tapping on Open option. Or you will see the app icon right there on your home screen. So this is how you could download the Carbon Loan app on your iPhone device. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.